He's
good
not even back
freaking
yet. He's
lord.
still on the way here.
Here they come in the bus.
Oh, look at there. Isn't that convenient?
No, I'm laughing.
Yeah, that's them.
They're putting all the stuff on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's empty.
Alright, we're coming.
He's not on a
Brad
bus.
didn't go to retreat.
They're all on the bus right now.
Are y'all sure?
There's no one on the bus.
Plus they were,
It's not that hot outside to
saw
make
a
it mess
retreat.
up its paint.
I
If it does, I will.
It's a dark colored car.
Give me some.
It smells
No, go get some from the bag.
Ah, son of a bitch.
He's gonna have to drive off with this guy.
I know, it's gonna fly everywhere. It's gonna be great. Somebody come over here at 10 o'clock tonight.
I'm really afraid he's gonna come.
I'm getting this video the whole time, dude.
No.
Shit, no, what? What?
I think. Hold on, Kara. Tell me if you know them.
Those are juniors.
There are juniors.
I'm not worried about it.
Because I don't want him to come see it yet.
why do y'all not do it like this though? Why
Because it's cute.
do you have his number?
I would be pissed if
What?
someone
She's
did
dating him.
Boyfriend.
She doesn't have a number.
Well, you never know.
Well, I mean,
Jordan, do you know?
Why don't you just call and say,
That's
hey?
not cute. No, is it?
It's not cute.
How come you're not doing any on the windshield?
He needs to be able to see.
Like he's not gonna take it.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a
Oh, shut up.
Careful, there's a car there.
That would be hilarious.
Anybody
If I
got
got
a
Do you
paid
have
too.
the you have the blank poster?
Yeah, you have a blank post-it, just
No,
write.
don't write anything.
It'll be hilarious.
What are you writing?
You guys really need to get a life in school or something.
Yeah.
We don't.
At the end of the year, what do you think we do?
Actually, that's my plan.
Probably make prom notes.
Our first
all-
plan was to write on his
I did
car.
this all during
He needs to be able to see, you geniuses.
He's not gonna drive with the post-it notes on his car.
Yeah, he will, because he's stupid enough to do that.
He's
Here,
not
smile.
that- No.
I just
Hi.
know.
That's it.
What do you think?
Keep saying hi.